Welcome back to the best accessories for your GS or any other bike series. After paint protection, this is my next number one, so I suppose it's number two, accessory, which I think is a must-have. These headlights on these GS's, if you get a little stone chip on here, it's not just a question of removing this bit. Who knew? This is BMW, don't you know? £1,000 for an entire new headlight cluster. £1,000. So, I'm very lucky. The folks over at Lone Rider have come on board and they have supplied that, their headlight protector. So we're going to be fitting that today. Stick around, find out more. And here it is, folks, the Lone Rider Headlight Protection System. Inside the box comes everything you need for installation. The brackets themselves are all stainless steel, they're pre-treated, so they should not be subject to any rust or weathering. Also included is a clear LED lens cover, a clear polycarbonate lens cover, the destructions, don't need them, a bag of bits including the Lone Rider key tag, some stickers, and a cloth for cleaning the lens, all the fittings, and the iconic metal grille with a beautiful amber LED headlight guard. It's a complete 3-in-1 customizable system, folks, and it's built to be modular from the ground up. The complete system retails on lonerider-motorcycle.com for £163.97. So, fitting the Lone Rider headlight guard, very similar to other ones on the market, except this seems quite a bit more substantive, to be honest with you, and I'm loving a lot of the details that are put in there, you know, the Lone Rider logo and things like that. Both these parts utilise existing mounting brackets, so you unscrew this one, that one, and then there are like hexagonal holes here and here. They sink into the bracket itself, and then you use the bolt to bolt this to the bottom of the bike. Hope that makes sense. Nice and easy. Watch how I do it. Handy little hack this. If you take the bracket and the hexagonal nut there, sink the nut in, and then just use a little bit of tape to hold that in place, just whilst you locate it onto the bike. It's a real time saver. 18th time lucky. Let's see how we get on here. Do the other side. Next you need to attach these plug parts to the four corners of the grille, depending on which one you're going to go for. I'm going for just the grille. Obviously there's the perspex part that you can have if you want, but I like just the actual grille itself. So I've done those three, they're nice and easy. Now, there are a few different size screws here. You want second from smallest for this, for the grille. If you're just having the grille option. Work that in. Screw that on. Size 3 Allen head, size 10 spanner, and tighten them up. Whoosh, done. Right, my mistake earlier, these little hinge parts here, you don't actually need them on if you're just going to have the grille option. That's if you're going to have the perspex cover, then the grille option, because it needs to sit out a little bit further. I'm just going to use the grille option. However, I'm going to leave these on, A, because it's a pain in the arse taking all that out again and removing these brackets, but B, I might want to use the perspex cover in the future, I don't know, and this will just allow me to do it. So I'll leave all that on, and then all you do, where these nipples are, they just locate into these four holes. Now, this is where it comes in handy, not securing these nice and tight, because there's still some play in all this. So I find, just do one side first, then I'll come over and do the other side. Just try and get your fingers behind it, just a gentle bit of pressure. There we go. Easy as that, folks. Then all you need to do is just tighten up all these bolts. Job's a good one. And that's that. How good does that look? Then to clean it, all you do is you can just pull this off again. It's just a rubber seals, just pull that straight off and you can get access. Then you can get access to the headlight, give it a good clean and whack it back on. Bosh. I should have said you might want to use a little bit of Loctite on these just to keep them nice and secure. So folks, there you go, nice and easy, the Lone Rider Headlight Guard. I love the sort of orange accent that this has on it. You can just put a clear one in if you want, both parts come in the kit. Nice and easy to fit, just remember the tape tip for the inside nuts to hold them in place as you slide the brackets into the bike. Apart from that, job done, and I think it looks awesome. Right folks, hope you're enjoying the best accessories for your GS and any other bike series. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you've not smashed that subscribe button, make sure you do. And if you've not ding-donged the bell, give it a little ding-a-ling. That'll just give you a little notification every time I post a vid, which at the moment is around about 2 to 3 times a week. Alright folks, hope you're all doing okay. You folks over in the clan, I love each and every one of you. Thank you very much for all your support, really do appreciate it. If you're not following me on Insta, head on over to TeapotOne Insta. Try and get us to that 10,000 and then I can use that swipey uppy thing to bring you lots of goodies. Huge thanks to Lone Rider for coming on board. Huge thanks to all of you for all your support. Keep on doing your thing. Get on out there, but most of all, live your life. Woo-ha!